Got it. Ooh, the juggler freestyle. Yeah, yeah, man, trying to get the mo. Why you wanna stay broke though? Ain't no time to stay broke, yo. We need the more, none a lot though. Gotta go get it, cause most night I didn't see a butter or a regret though. So I gotta let my shoes go through the door, cause you know our niggas go. Nigga need that money, not laughing when I'm hunting, cause niggas in the street, and this ain't no joking. You say I laughing, no joking. Watch it with your witchcraft thing. Tryna make mine while you want me fall out the line and broke my spine. You don't wanna see me with the mo. Why you tryna stop my flow? Don't wanna see me with that dough. But you can't stop me from open another door. Open another door. Cause I gotta make the short fall. Understand I gotta score. Did the bun for lose. I got this haters confused. I got this haters confused. Haters don't wanna see me with it. They just wanna see me lose it. Ain't no lie, ain't no lie. Dang. Ooh. This ain't no lie, ain't no lie. Ooh. Me? I remember how I hit the hospital floor. Thought I wouldn't see a light no more. But I'm up and straight right now. Dang. Cause my blessings way up for sure. Thought I was gonna dead. The first thing that clicked into my head is saying I don't got a daughter, I don't got a house, I don't got a bed, not even spread. Haters won't see me get the lead. They won't see me lose my head. Ooh, I'm up and running so they can't cut me from stunning. They just don't see me making something and something while they be making nothing. I'm about the lobster drop and the mushing. You bought the broke so you wanna be hungry and lurking. So no fucking joke, I ain't joking. Freestyle, man.